Every adventure begins with a single step. The path to success is often the same as failure most of the way. The only difference, making the right decisions at the right time. Over 80 years ago, knee-deep in snow that stretched to the horizon, Tuomas Vuohlanen invented a revolutionary compass. Tuomas, our founder, was never satisfied, and he was never lost. If Suunto in Finnish means direction, Suunto means the right direction. Where you go, we go. People say you make your own luck. We don't believe that. Generations of knowledge, more than 80 years of technology, constantly tested in the harshest of conditions. It takes fortitude to survive, knowledge to conquer. If you want to call that luck, fine. We'll call it our heritage.